friends, welcome to my channel Art and Craft with Mehwish. I am Mehwish. For today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to opening and closing a mat. This presentation comes in exercise of practical life. This is area 1 activity. It's a Montessori activity. Don't speak while presenting. The action should convey the message because during the activity, Montessori directories don't speak. Before starting this presentation, you will check few things. The material you will need, a tray and a mat. Closing a mat. 2 finger, 1 thumb. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification for more new videos. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section below. Please like and share my channel with friends and family. This video will help parents understand all about Montessori.